Takže čaute ľudia, je to zase Fajn SK dneska so špeciálnym hosťom a to je...
Nadix. Dobrý večer, prajem.
Dneska by som chcel ukázať pesničku The Five Nights at Freddy's 2, ktorá sa volá Five More Nights a je od speváka J. Manichima. Takže môžeme sa do toho vrhnúť.
Presne tak. Nike.
Hi, kids. Did you like violence? Want me to grab a sandwich so we can stuff you inside it? Got an appetite? Grab a couple slices. Mom and Dad lied when they told you I was lifeless. One slice, the one in the main office. Hanging out after hours, how I'm toxic. One sitter on his monitor for phosphorus. Got to wake the other, now I'm so unfortunate. Call me Freddy, I'm the daddy with the temper. When I see a face like yours, I remember. Make it through the night, and I bet they'll give you tenure. Then you can be part of Freddy's family forever. Someone's got a major upgrade, so I hope it's okay staying up late. If it dares, if your resume and update, like your claims, I'll be making minimum wage. I come to life, you got no place to hide. Keep an eye on the time and alive by your side. You can try if you like to survive 5 more nights. Stick around, don't be shy. Till your friends will show you why. You wear single, you leave your brain scrambled. You can say you got a couple wires.
Jest postel.
Surprising you from a higher angle. Keep an eye up because it's where it likes to tangle. We got a brand new Freddy take a body. You can bring some little boy time to throw the party. Put your mask on, cause now the party's starting. Keep it on long and full and foxy. Just a minute, we'll be crawling out the bottom of. If you got doors, now you oughta knock them up. Once I forgot, you don't even got 'em. Keep the music playing, or we're gonna have a problem. But don't relax once you have us distracted. We move around as sporadic as mechanical crackheads. We think on our own, no strings attached. If you don't believe that, ask the very best. Did you listen to the vision you saw? As the clock keeps ticking, we'll be giving you more. Do you remember the original form? Take a look at us now, cause our condition is poor. We were led to decay.
Samozrejme, že to nie je originálne video od J. Manichima, ale je to veľmi nové video.
Hello? Wow, you made it this far. Honestly, didn't think you'd really ever get far. Don't worry, you've got nothing to fear. This is just the beginning of a thrilling career. Now, the animatronics are known to bug out. Isn't that enough reason to get the fuck out? Listen up, guys. This gig ain't for me. But we're having such fun. We hate you to leave. You might mistake us for hostile monstrosity. But accidents will happen when you got a lot of days. Just got a birthday, let us make it right.
Ja sa tým slúpal, že to nie je.
We wait all night for the day to begin. With a special surprise that we save for the end. If you don't already know how we like to make friends, then we'll show you now.
Toto je veľmi dobrý obrázok. Vy si ho pozrite.
Vystižný,
Si ho
dobrý.
pozrite. Je celkom veľmi zaujímavý a pekný. Ja si ho vybím na tričko.
Áno.
You're gonna fit right in. I come to life. You've got nothing to hide. Keep an eye on the time and the light by your side. You can try if you like to survive 5 more nights. Stick around, don't be shy. Till your friends will show you why.
Sa pripojí sa k nám a umrie.
No,
Typický roboti.
presne.
Takže ďakujem za zhliadnutie tohto videa, teda ospravedlňujem sa, ďakujeme.
Ďakujeme, presne tak.
Dúfam, že sa vám páči a budeme nahrávať aj viac videí z takýchto sérií.
Keď bude čas.
A dúfam, že sa vám páči, nezabudnite dať like a odber.
Dúfam, že dáte.
A ja.
A že sa bude páčiť.
A uvidíme sa v ďalšom videu, takže ďakujeme.
Ďakujeme.
Pekný večer
Tak.
a dovidenia.
Dovidenia.